I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Escape tail light, updated. Start by parking, disconnecting the negative battery terminal, and gathering a flashlight, screwdriver, and replacement bulb or assembly. Remove the cargo area cover or access panel to reach the tail light screws, then carefully remove screws and wiring connector. Inspect the socket and wiring, replace the bulb or assembly, secure screws, reconnect the battery, and test the new light. Begin by opening the liftgate and removing any interior trim or access covers to expose the tail light fasteners. Use the appropriate screwdriver or socket to remove mounting screws, supporting the lens assembly with your free hand as you work. Once screws are out, gently pull the assembly outward enough to reach the wiring connector, depress the release tab, and disconnect the plug straight out to fully free the tail light for bulb replacement or swap. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful car tips. On another note, I picked out leak-proof containers that make meal prep and parts storage neat and spill-free, and they are great for holding screws and bulbs in your trunk during repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. With the assembly removed, install the new bulb or replacement tail light assembly by seating the bulb into the socket until it clicks or feels secure. Reconnect the electrical connector firmly and guide the lens assembly back into position, aligning clips and screw holes. Tighten mounting screws evenly to avoid misalignment, reconnect the negative battery terminal if needed, and test brake, turn, and reverse functions to confirm everything works before replacing interior trim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.